Look at the little ones. Oh, they're all coming to eat. Got cute little yellow to them. Look at them. Ain't they pretty? And there's the cat. La la la. Cat's watching them. Saying, oh, look at those birdies. Oh. So many of them. They're all there eating. Look at that. Cute, cute little yellow to them. Yes, the cat is watching. His blue eyes. Wow, look at them all. Yeah. Nice sunny day. Let's get our feed. That one's got a little more yellow too. Yeah. All coming in to eat today. Oh, that one. Look at the feathers on that one. And the cat sits still, watching them all, patiently. And the tail wiggles. And look, there's a cat's tail. It's like, oh, oh. Sitting on the little kid's desk, the old school desk. See the old school desk? There you go. Watching the birds. Beautiful colors in that one. It's always so peaceful to just watch them eat. They're beautiful. Right, I hope you've enjoyed my bringing these to you. Look at that one. That one just, you can't come in the house. No, you can't. Off he goes. Alright, be sure to join me as a friend. We'll bring you some more. Bye-bye now.